Yo, we really did it, Doc.
Yeah. All right, let's see if we can get this all in the office.
Just got our whole first pallet unloaded. We're about to run through these, do a couple scans. Man, it's a lot of stuff. All right, so what we got?
I don't know what we got. Mailbox
All
that
right.
is like 100 pounds. I don't like it.
You're pitiful, dude.
I don't wanna-
Open that thing
I don't
up.
wanna hear it. Pretty legit.
All right, don't be getting foam everywhere.
Look at this. This is the mailbox. This is, I'm not even joking.
Dude, we need this in the office.
No, we do not.
Yo,
You
this
feel
thing.
this thing?
Let's get it out.
What
Let's
do you
get
mean?
it out
I need
here.
you-
I'ma
you
hold it
better-
here.
You better hold up. Look at this.
Real mailbox, dude.
Oh.
What?
Why am I doing all the heavy lifting?
Hold up.
What is this? This is serious.
Wow, that thing's
Wow. That's serious.
nice. Who is this for? Like, where do you live if you have a mailbox like this?
Are you serious?
You know what I mean? Like, they could drop real
Wow.
packs off to you.
Wow. What this is? More baby stuff? Right?
Hey, baby stuff's hot because of COVID.
See that?
A lot of COVID babies.
Oh,
It's a mattress.
This one is it? It's in the plastic.
Dream on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend. I'll be your only one. Huh?
Possible.
Perfect drain.
Perfect drain.
LK perfect drain sink.
Alright. Okay, so Quarks.
That's it.
That's it?
But it's a different color.
350. So no
Hold on.
bids. Should I?
So what you do is hit the filter, swipe it up, show more, keep going until you see sold. They make it hard to find. They don't want you to find it sold. Now you know.
Do you see how I had to do completed?
No, you want both, and we want sold as well. You want sold
Both.
and completed.
Okay.
And then hit show results. It's not the same sink. I wonder what makes that one different.
Yeah. So maybe because how it's made and everything. That's $9. They almost sold it for $1,000.
Yeah, free shipping now. That's gonna be.
How much you think that the shipping on that thing?
Ship that UPS. It depends. If it stays on the East Coast, 40 or 50 bucks. If it goes to California, well over 100.
Really?
All right, so it's been a busy 5 hours. We left at 7. It's now 1 a.m.
Yeah.
We've went through pretty much everything. The only things that we didn't list is this is like that's a deck box.
Yeah, deck
because
box.
it's like we're almost gonna have to take it apart
Yeah.
and put it together.
And then we had a listening station over here. This one ranged about 144, but just like the deck box, putting it together, and it's 1 a.m. in the morning. So
Yeah.
it's just not gonna happen. Although Jay already put this bike together.
Here's what we do have listed is some RV steps for 200.
Yep.
This is for 200.
So the dehumidifier, we put that up for how much?
I think like 150 because it's
150?
used.
Okay, cool. So we have a dehumidifier. We've got a baby suspension apparatus that you put to the wall. What do you call this thing?
Yeah, it's a jumper.
Jump. Okay. We got a mailbox.
Mailbox.
Legit mailbox that's like 200 plus, right? The cat stand.
Cat toy. Yeah.
Yep. Then we have the baby mattress.
Yep.
We have a like cabinet section
Yeah.
kind
A
of
buffet
thing.
cabinet.
Buffet cabinet. Then we have this, which is for a bed set, right?
Yeah, it's a bed frame.
Bed frame, pretty high end. It was good. We also
Heater.
heater and sink.
And a sink.
So
yeah.
pretty much all I mean, there's no consistency. But what I did like about the palette was we had a lot of stuff that we could use. It wasn't things that were extremely dented or things where you hear like horror stories. In all, getting 12 out of 15, I think that's pretty good. Now the thing is, what we were looking at, if we did the math correctly, right? It should be $1,600, listed $1,600 with 12 items.
Yep.
So all in, $700 for the palette. We're looking at $1,600 potentially listed. Yep. So that would be a profit of $900. Now that's just the gross amount, but remember, me and Jay have spent about 5 hours and
6 hours a piece.
Okay.
Going and getting it, bringing it back, unboxing it, and listing it.
Yeah, Jay listed and used his truck, so think about that too. We're looking at a little bit additional amount that we're putting into this project. So next coming up, we're going to see what happens, right? We're gonna put this all online. It's already listed on eBay. We're gonna be coming back with another video and letting you know what our verdict is, how much we made, all of those things. And if you like these kind of videos, remember in the comment section, make sure you let us know that you like seeing these side hustles, flipping things with pallets, all those kind of things. If you want more of this, let us know in the comment section. We'll see you in the next video.